All right. This is the cabinet where we have the slide. It's been a working process to put the TV on. So what I did is this thing right here is really weak. So what I did was I cut a plywood, the plywood sheet that I got for the countertop. So I built it in. I screw it right here on the frame and right here because there is this gap right here. So I put another piece of this maple plywood that I bought for the countertop. So I bolted in. So now the base is right here. The base is right here, and what we're gonna do with it, we're gonna mount the TV right here. But let me secure everything and I will show you guys how it's gonna look after I install it. Okay people, it's done finally. So this is the bracket. As you can see, it's being whole mounted into this cabinet. This cabinet, it doesn't have any support. So what I was explaining earlier, I put an extra reinforcement here inside. See it right there. I don't know, I'm not interested in getting the stereo back on here, so we found these at the 99-cent store. No, actually it was a TJ Maxx, so I put it back in there. So this is how it looks from the inside. So I hooked up the antenna already. Everything works. And show me the magic. So there you go.
Drama and child support savagery.
And this is how it looks. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys that video can help you guys out a little bit.